Subscribe to my channel. Also follow my Instagram. Everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make two different types of jello shots using the Pineapple Amsterdam. Very inexpensive liquor, and you can make really good drinks with it. So I'm going to show you guys how to make two drinks. The first one is a pineapple fantasy jello shot, and then I'm going to be making a PinaColada jello shot. So these are going to be really good. This is really good for like summer. I know it's fall already, but these drinks will be like really good for summer. And I know I haven't been really consistent with filming, but I am going to get better with filming. I do have a goal of 150 subscribers before 2021. So if you are here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button to get me to my goal of 150 subscribers before 2021. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Again, if you're not 21, you can go ahead and exit the video. This is for the grown and sexy only, period. Okay, for the Pineapple Fantasy Jello shots, you're going to need some type of jello. So today I'm going to be using the unflavored gelatin. You can also just buy a box of Pineapple Jello at a Kroger's or Walmart or wherever you buy your jello from. You're also going to need a can of jello of pineapples. I'm using the pineapple chunks. You're going to need a can of pineapples, or you can use fresh pineapples, whatever you prefer. You're definitely going to need your alcohol. I'll be using the Pineapple Amsterdam. You're going to need sugar. I'm going to be using liquid sugar for these shots. And then I actually got these pineapple LorAnn flavors as well, because it's going to be like super pineapple flavor. Like, who doesn't love pineapple? You're going to need like measuring utensils as well. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do, excuse my background, my kids are playing. First thing you want to do is take your jello, and then you know you're going to need a cup of hot water. So I have boiling hot water here. I'm just taking a measuring cup for a cup, and then I'm going to be using that rest of that hot. Okay, now I'm just mixing up the hot water and the unflavored jello. Okay, so I have the hot water mixed up with the unflavored gelatin, and now I'm just going to take 1/4 cup of pineapple juice into this. So on here it shows the 1/2 cup. I'm going to estimate that the 1/4 cup is just like that first really small line on the measuring cup. So I have the pineapple juice here. I'm just going to pour it into the jello. Mix that up. And then the next thing I'm going to be doing is taking the sugar and putting about a teaspoon and a half of the sugar into the jello. And then I'm going to do a cup of the alcohol. Not teaspoon, tablespoon. Like a cup and a half of tablespoon of sugar into the jello. Right? And then mix that up. And you may be able to see that there's like little pineapple particles floating around in the jello. That's okay, because we're going to be adding more jello into the mixture to make it more solid. And then we're going to be adding the liquor. And then we're going to be adding flavors of jello. Also, we're going to be adding pineapples. So that is going to be perfectly fine. gonna be really, really good. I'm excited. It smells really good. I may add more sugar. I don't know. I'm gonna taste it and see. Okay, but before we do that, I'm gonna be adding in the pineapple flavoring into the Jello mixture also. I'm using this dropper. You don't have to, but I am. Just so the flavor, it's not too much. This smells amazing. Okay, so we have all the Jello mixed up. Really good. It's turned out really good. I ended up actually having to use 2 packs. I didn't, when I made this the last time, I didn't use the actual pineapple juice with it. I just used the flavoring, but I think the pineapple juice with it is going to be really good. I tasted it. It's really good. It's really sweet. So these are going to be perfect. I might need to add a little bit more sugar once I add the alcohol. So now, the best part, adding the alcohol. So we're gonna add like 1 cup of alcohol. 1 cup of alcohol. Yes. Okay, so now we're going to fill up our cups, let this sit overnight, and then we're going to start the PinaColada Jello shots. So now we're going to be doing the PinaColada Jello shot. So I got 2 of the unflavored Jello. Okay, so now we're going to be doing the PinaColada Jello shot. So I got 2 of the unflavored gelatin because I'm going to be using actual pineapple juice in these ones as well. So I'm putting 2 of the unflavored Jello. Hot water. Two to 3 drops of the PinaColada flavor. Did I say 2 to 3? Oh, it smells so freaking good. Okay. Half a cup of pineapple juice and pineapples. And then a full cup of liquor. Okay, now I'm adding the sugar. And then for this recipe, I'm going to be using the bigger cups because I'm going to be putting cherry juice into the mixture also. because it's pina colada, so it's a lit. Okay, so I'm gonna move this over so that you guys can see what I'm doing. Just sitting out the bigger Jello shot cups. Right? And then I'm gonna add a little bit of, I'm gonna put some cherries in the Jello as well, but I'm gonna add a little bit of the cherry juice just in the bottom of the cup like this. And then I'm gonna add not even a drop of the sugar. Okay. And then I'm gonna just, what I'm doing is just, sorry y'all, I'm a little focused. What I'm doing is just spooning the Jello on top of the cherry to try to give it that two-tone type thing. And I'm moving the spoon up as I go, so like that is draining down the side, if you get what I'm saying. And then rising the spoon up. Right? So this is like the look I was going for. The two-toned pina colada Jello shots. And then I'm gonna let these sit for like a couple minutes, and then look at how pretty that is for summer. I'm gonna let these sit for a couple minutes, and then I'm gonna add the cherries and the pineapples in as well. Okay, you guys ready for these results? These turned out so good. This is the Pineapple Fantasy. I actually ended up spraying like some gold edible glitter on the top of the Jello just to give it like a little glitter. It turned out really cute. These are so good. Completely solid with that recipe. These turned out amazing. Like, that was a piece of the pineapple. These are so good. Like, okay, I have to taste the other one also. So that was the Pineapple Fantasy. Oops. Okay, and this is the Pina Colada. Like, look at the cherry. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. This is the Pina Colada one, so let's see. Completely solid. Have the lid right here. This is completely solid. These are good. I knew these ones were gonna taste better because they just look like, these are lit. Like, I'm so excited. I'm trying to get to the bottom so I can taste like that cherry part and see what that. Oh my god, y'all, make these tonight. Oh my god, it costs like less than $5 to make these. I mean, plus the liquor. The liquor's like $6 a bottle. These are good. Like, okay. Sorry about that. Thank you guys for watching, and another video for Beauty Bartender has been a success. I'm so excited. Again, I'm trying to get to 150 subscribers, so if you guys could just hit that subscribe button down below. Follow me on Instagram, Beauty Bartender. That's beauty with an E. I'm gonna put the link up here as well. And thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you like this video if you like this video. Until next time, see you guys.